Welcome, welcome, welcome to all my fellow traders and investors across the planet Earth. It's BFam here, Ether9 TV, coming once again, you know what it is, with some jewels for your bags. Those diamonds, pearls, rubies, etc. Okay, today's video, I'm going to show you possibility that you could make 100% on your money over the possibly next maybe month or so, possibly even quicker. You never know. This crypto market moves kind of fast, right? Okay, so first of all, I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to the channel. Go to my previous videos, get updated on what's going on. I started these videos back in August, so there's only a few videos, so do your thing. Anyway, let's get it in. So today we are going to be talking about VeChain. In fact, first of all, let's go to the chart. As you can see, Bitcoin's at 19,200, but Bitcoin is doing its thing. Anyway, today's video is all about VeChain. Let's scroll down and see where VeChain is in the market. Boom, 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 boom. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, VeChain? Where are you hiding? You're hiding. You're hiding. Where are you? Oh, by the way, people, anybody that bought Nexo when I done the video, let's see, when did I do that video? Let's just have a quick look. 1 second. Right, about a month back. Let's just quickly go to Nexo and see how much Nexo was around a month back. 1 second. I'm not digressing, people, but here what? It's real. Anyway, let's go to the monthly chart. Can't see that really. Alright. Okay, where we are. Alright, here we are. A month back. What's today's date? Today's the 8th of the 12th, 2020. So we go to the 8th of November. Let's see. Let's have a look. Alright, round about 17 cents, people. 17 cents. 17. Did you hear what I said? 17 cents. Nexo right now is 44 cents. Let's go to the tools on the left hand side. This little tool here, if you click on it, scroll down to the price range, click on the price range, and we'll click on 17 cents and go up. Let's have a look. People. Do you see that? 161%. People. Anyone that bought Nexo when I done that video, you're up 161% if you have it still. Maybe you don't. Maybe you sold, halfway. I don't know. But the point I'm trying to make is you've made 100% in a month. Over 100%, in fact. Where else do you get this type of returns, people? I'm giving you jewels. That's what I'm trying to say. This is copious money we're about to make here. Anyway, let me get back to VeChain. I just have to show you that, people. I'm sorry. All right, let me find VeChain. VeChain, where are you hiding? I can't see you, man. I'm sorry about this, people. 1 second. All right, there we go. VeChain. 24. Number 24 in coin market cap. At the moment is 0.018 of a cent. In the last 7 days, it's gone up 14%. In the last 24 hours, it's gone up 5%. It has a market cap of just over 1 billion. It has a volume of 242 million plus. It has a circulating supply of 64. What's that? 64. Wow. 64 billion. Yeah, is that 64 billion? Yeah, 64 billion, people. That's a big number. That's a lot of coins. Now, as you can see, because of that circulating supply, you're not going to see VeChain anytime soon gone 20 grand for one VeChain. So don't get, for those people who think that, no. Yeah, please. Anyway, let's go. So, right, let's click on VeChain. Right. So people, for all you traders, you don't care what VeChain does. All you're interested in, can I make some money in the short term? I'm gonna get there in a moment. But for those investors that wants to know what VeChain is all about, this is how you find out. So you click on VeChain, you click on the website, boom, it tells you what it's about. Basically, VeChain is a supply management system. And in fact, I heard on the grapevine that they've just partnered up with a fish company, I think, a seafood company. Do your research on that. Recently, in the last 24, 48 hours, they've just partnered up with a seafood company and doing big things. So basically, they track the supply chain of items and food. It could be your Louis Vuitton bag. They will track that item from the whole process, the whole process, the full 9 yards. I ain't gonna go into it right now, but basically, that's what they're about. And if you have the coin in your wallet, you get VeChain Thor. So this is the wallet here you can download, and basically you will get passive income also. I think you get around 2% APR a year, and they pay that as a separate token called VeChain Thor. And you can go on CoinMarketCap, look up the price, and find out what that is. But anyway, let's get back to that. So you can go click down here to the market peers, and it will tell you where VeChain is being currently traded amongst the different exchanges. Right, so Binance up here, OceanX, LBX, all these are exchanges across the planet that you can sign up and trade VeChain. Now, I have it right now on Binance, and if we go to the chart, let's go to the Binance. So let's scroll down a bit. This is my Binance account. Now, anyone that wants to sign up with a Binance account, I suggest you go to my link in my description. There's a link there. You get a drink, I get a drink, everyone's happy. Boom. You can get involved in this savage crypto game. Binance is one of the best platforms out there. It has plenty of different types of tokens and coins on the market. Loads of people love Binance. Anyway, as you can see, I've got a little bit of VeChain in my wallet already, but let's go to trade. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go to trade. And I've got some Bitcoin, so let's go to Bitcoin. So you can see, you can trade it with Bitcoin, US dollars, Ether. As you can see right now, it's just on a little downturn maybe, you know. But anyway, let's go. So I want to buy some VeChain. So I'm going to show you how to buy it, basically. Because right now, I'm going to go back to the charts in a moment. But basically, if you want to buy VeChain, as I said, I'm using Bitcoin to buy it. And this is how you place an order. Right. I don't want to buy here at 95 Satoshis. No, I want to wait until maybe it looks like it might retest back down to the 91 Satoshi level. So I'm going to put a buy order for 91 Satoshis. So this is what I would do. I wouldn't go to market, because market price you'd pay a bit more on the fees. I always put a limit order. I always let the price come to me. I don't chase prices. I let the price come to me. That's how we roll. I like it cheap like that. Anyway, let's scroll down a bit. So I want to buy 91 Satoshis. Come on. So I'll put 91 there, and I'll put the amount. So for example, I always scale in my positions, always. Majority of the time, 90% of the time, I scale in my positions, whether I'm trading or investing. I scale in. So what do I mean by that? Meaning if I've got $1,000, $1,000 for example, I will put maybe $200 at one point, and then $300 maybe at another point when I see it maybe drop or go up at certain levels. So that's how that's what I mean by scaling in. I won't put the whole $1,000 on instant like that. No, I scale in. That's when I'm buying, and I also scale out when I'm selling, just to give you a heads up. Anyway, so right now I'm going to use all my Bitcoin because it's only a little bit in there. So with that, I'll receive 11,139 VeChain. And all I do is press buy. And that's my limit order created. So If it drops down to 91 Satoshis, my order will click in and that amount of VeChain will appear in my wallet. Now, when you want to sell, by the way, but when you want to sell, you can also just put the amount, whatever amount you want to sell it at. You can put a stop limit. You can go to stop limit. You can put the amount there. So you want to sell it at, say, if VeChain goes up to 150 Satoshis, right? So you can put 0.000123123 no, yeah, 100 Satoshis, and that would be equivalent to 0.019 of a cent right now. Sorry, no, let's do 150. Sorry, my bad. Okay, that would be equivalent to 0.028 cents, and right now VeChain in dollar term, it is 0.018 of a cent. Yeah, so just over 1 cent basically. So, and then you put the amount of VeChain that you want to sell. Sorry, then you put, so you, I'm bad, I'm getting myself mixed up. So you put a stop. So if the price drops down to 150, it will click and then it will sell it at, you can say 149. So if the price goes up or drops down to 150, it will click, it will sell your amount of VeChain. Say you got 5,000, yeah, or 4,000, whatever. It will sell that amount at 149 Bitcoin. Yeah, so the 150 is when the order will click in, and then if it drops below the 150, then it will sell at 149. You know, whatever amount you put, you can put 148, 147, just up to you. That's a trigger order. So, and that's you can sleep at night and chill. So let's get back to the chart. So let me show you the chart of VeChain, and I want to show you something. I want to show you how I look when I view coins and tokens when I'm trading stroke investing in the market. So if you say, so to find VeChain, you type in VET and you would scroll. Now I'm trading, that was in Bitcoin as a peer. So let's go first to the Bitcoin chart. So as you can see in the left hand corner, we see VET BTC. So that's telling you this is VeChain trading against Bitcoin peer. Right. Now let's go to the monthly chart up here in the top left hand corner. You just click on M and it will give you the monthly chart of VeChain. So let's see what it's saying. Oh, 1 second, let's get this bigger for you guys. Come on. There we go, a bit bigger. Right, so as you can see, these red candles, people are selling. These green candles, people are buying. Right now, it came down to around 43 Satoshis back in October 19th. And then again, came down to about 49 Satoshis on April the 1st this year. Dropped down again to 72 Satoshis in November. And right now, we're on our way up. So I tend to go look at the macro view first of all, the big picture, because that's where the strength lies first of all. It's like, you know, the big monthly time frames control the smaller time frames. But in saying that, the smaller time frames will show you what's happening in the things happen, reversals happen in the smaller time frames, basically what I'm trying to say. But the bigger time frames have more strength as a whole. So if we click on the weekly, and by the way, I like to look for a couple green candles on the monthly chart to tell me, all right, there's strong buyers in this particular currency or token or coin that I'm looking at, whatever I'm looking at. So if we click on the weekly chart, we can see for the past 4 weeks, green candles. So it's all system go with this one. Now, as you can see, there's some resistance at around about 100 Satoshis, but you know, anywhere around here, personally for me, I'm fine with that. I am totally fine because I've been trading VeChain for the last couple years right now, so I'm cool with that. So that's how I look on the market, and as you can see, all I use is the MACD and the RSI. That's the only tools I use, people. That's it. Now, if we buy in anywhere around these ranges here, as we can see at the 95, 94, say it drops down to like, 70 Satoshis, whatever. I don't mind that. I'm still buying in. And by the way, I ain't putting no stop loss. Yeah, this is one of my long-term plays in the market. Now, don't get me wrong, you can do a short-term trade in it. That's up to you. But this is one of my personal long-term plays within this game. Now, from 92 Satoshis, if we go up here, go all the way up to the last time, to this highest point, it was 196 Satoshis, and that will give you just over 100% in profit on the Bitcoin pair. Yeah, that's on the Bitcoin pair. Now, if I go to VET and the Ethereum pair, because remember, we're trying to stack our Bitcoin and also we're trying to increase our Ethereum. So if I put one Ethereum, a whole one Ethereum on this trade, for example, and I buy at this point, as you can see, this is the Ethereum chart now on the weekly, people. As you can see, looking beautiful, nice and low. We buy low and we pop it off when it sells high. We sell those rallies and get our return on investment and rinse and repeat. Because here, what you don't want to go. You look. One thing, please, you don't want to sustain these downward trends. That's a lot of money you're losing. That's a lot. So when you see, learn to read charts, as I said. Yeah, just take your profit. One thing, you must always take your profit. Don't see profit, take profit. That's the mantra. That's my mantra. I see profit, I'm taking profit in this game at different levels. Anyway, let's go to price range and measure from this point here around about 3,000 GUE. Yeah, that's the bits of Ethereum. GUE. Anyway, before I get carried away, let's go all the way up to its last high, and that's 150%, just over, roundabouts, give or take, 150%, people. Yeah, 150%. Now, I ain't telling you when it's gonna go up there. I don't know. I'm not telling you that. But what I can tell you, over this next period, few weeks, few months, we are going to be touching some of these levels. And if you are in this particular coin, you're going to make that profit as long as you keep it low, right? And if you're a newbie, don't put no big money into this, please. If you're new to trading, please do not put any big money into it. And also, just put a stop loss. Yeah, wherever you buy, this is what you do. Wherever you buy at whatever price, just put a stop loss. Say if it goes down 10%, whatever, just put a stop loss. As a newbie, just put a stop loss, because I don't want anything can happen in this market, right? And I don't want you to lose your shirt. I don't want you to lose your lid. So just put a stop loss, right? Make sure it's under support. Yeah. So for example, if you buy at, for example, let's see, say you bought it around here, 89 Satoshis, right? Put your stop loss somewhere below like 75 Satoshis, right? So if it touches 75, a trigger will kick in and you won't lose all your money, right? I'm just using that as an example, as a newbie. But you have to learn how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, don't do it. If you're an investor, all right, that's cool. But if you're a trader, please learn the basics first, right? Anyway, so that is VeChain, and the Ethereum pair. So this is how to increase your ether pair. So say, for example, you put one whole ether, boom, it goes up 100%. You've turned that one into 2 ether. Happy days, isn't it? Happy days. You take that 1 ether, go and put it in Celsius wallet or Nexo, and gain some interest on that. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. And you still got ether left to play with. You do what you want. But what I'm trying to say is, this is a great opportunity, and I don't want you people to miss it. That's why I'm giving you the jewels. Another thing, for your crypto research, you can go to masari.io. I've just heard about this website today, and you can click on all the different coins, and you can research all bits and pieces, giving you all different types of data on the different currencies out there within the market. So that's just another tool to aid you in this cryptocurrency forest that we are in, people. And one more thing before I go, token metrics. If you don't know about token metrics, I would suggest that you go to token metrics. The link will be in my description. Go to the website, read up about it. It's a tool that's going to give you an edge in the market. It's been designed and produced by a good brother that's been in the market since 2016, and by the name of Ian Bellina. And let's just give you a brief thing on it. Let's go this. This is basically a AI for cryptocurrency industry, basically. So it's taking data from different points of the cryptocurrency. So it's looking at the token metrics, it's looking at the code, it's looking at the team, the use case, etc., 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 which will take you and I a whole leap of time. So basically, this is a piece of software that's making the work for us more efficient, which is saving you and me time, and in saving me and you time, we can make more money. Anyway, anything over 70% is good in terms of as a trader or a value investor. So if I click on trader on a daily basis, not looking good for these ones, yeah. But at the same time, you must do your look on the charts yourself, etc. On a weekly, still not looking good. I'm looking for anything over 70%. On a monthly, boom, we got some over 70% here. So we got Bitcoin Cash, Monero, Bitcoin, XRP, and Binance. So as a trader, for you traders out there, keep your eyes on those 5 coins in the market over the next month, and they could possibly give you some nice gains. And maybe some of these other ones. So I'm giving you a little, heads up for you to go and do your research. And for any of you value investors, I click on value investor. Over the year, it's giving you Chainlink. Now, I'm not saying that the lesser percentage is not going to make you any money. No, I'm not saying that. But this is what the machine is, picking up overall, right? But at the same time, you must do your own research. Let's have a look on a quarterly as a value investor. Well, on a quarterly, as you can see, we've got some 90s, 80s. Ooh, we're rolling on a quarterly basis. So I would suggest have a look on a quarterly basis. Have a look on these coins right now, people. And some of these, like Tether, that's telling you have some Tether on the side. Always have some cash on the sidelines, yeah, making you that savage interest on Nexo or Celsius. The links for those are in my description. Anyway, of the video. Let's click on monthly. Right, USD coin, Filecoin, Tether. So it's telling you, I have some Tether, some USD coin as a backative just in case anything goes down. And these other ones looking good on the monthly as a value investor. So bear that in mind, people. So I'm just giving you a heads up, yeah. So you can make this savage money in this ecosphere. So a link for token metrics will be in my description. You can click on it, go to the website, have a read up. If you want to purchase one of the different platforms that it has, then by all means use my link. It's all good. If not, don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you every so often, every week, what's happening within the token metrics, what sort of data it's giving me back, so we all can benefit from it. If you can't afford it right now, don't worry about that, man. I'm here for you people. Anyway, that's the video for today. Oh yeah, one more thing. See, I don't like to make these videos long, but one more thing. I gotta pop this in. I gotta pop it in. For any of you XRP holders out there, on the 12th of this month, you are gonna get some free money. That's right, I said some free money. If you hold XRP in Coinbase or Binance or any other exchanges, you got to do your research to see which other ones accept it. But if you hold it, you're going to get a token called Spark Token. I'll just give you a heads up. So you can just go to this website, coindesk.com, and they will tell you all about the airdrop, what's happening. And for anyone asking the question, well, what's an airdrop? Basically, if you hold some tokens, I've held some tokens since I've been in the market, and because you hold that token, you will get a free token just by holding, just for you owning that token. Reason why? Some promotion, some merger with another cryptocurrency company, different reasons, yeah, multiple different reasons. But in saying that, I would suggest if you do some research on airdrops, just go into Google and tap in crypto. In fact, let me do it for you. I'm here right now, innit? Let's do a quick tap. All right, let's do crypto airdrop 2020. Right, if you could scroll through all these different websites, they will tell you about different airdrops that you can sign up for and possibly get some free money, because some of these coins and tokens are just coming onto the market. Now, I've never done it, yeah. Some people have, and they've made some nice money. The reason why I haven't done it, because there's so many different ways to make money in this market. It's just unreal. I can't do it all, people. That's why I need your help, right? So, for example, if I click on icomarks.com, it will tell you what's the upcoming airdrops. Now, people, don't get it twisted. Some of these companies are scams, yeah, and some of them are not. So you got to do your diligent research. As I said, this is no easy feat. It's a minefield out here, right? So you got to be careful. And if you are going to go down this road of trying to get this free money via these airdrops, always use a different email for each airdrop that you sign up for. Don't use the same email, because, as I said, some of these guys are scams, right? And I don't want you to get your wig back blown off. I don't want you to visit Wreck City. Too much people in Wreck City crying for pity. No, please. Anyway, that's the video for today. Your brother from another mother has got to love you and leave you. I hope you're doing your best. The year's gone so fast, people. I can't even believe it. This COVID thing just mash up things for some people. Others, it's a breeze. Anyway, gotta love you and leave you. I gotta bounce. But do your own research. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a brother on the internet sharing some good info for you. Yeah, that's all. 'Cause I like sharing, innit? Sharing is caring. Anyway, peace. I'm out. Love.